You'll find them at over 1,000 companies in more than 50 countries. They're personalizing medicine and empowering progress. They're engineering ways to hear better, breathe easier, and send it higher. They're the everything changers. They're turning great ideas into life-changing products every day with MasterControl software. The sooner you join them, the sooner everything can change for you. You'll simplify and connect quality management across departments, sites, and suppliers. Close the loop on CAPAS and turn quality insights into innovative new products. Digitize manufacturing by taking paperless production right first time and review by exception from roadmap to reality. And use advanced analytics to find today's issues and prevent tomorrow's. With MasterControl, you'll have the tools to change your processes, empower your people, reduce risk, and do what you do best. Bring life-changing products to your customers sooner.